right, folks, I got her back together. Sport Cats only. As you guys know, the headers don't fit the convertible. They're too tall. They're hitting the top braces. So that's a no-go. Until somebody comes out with a convertible version for the headers, you guys are stuck with Sport Cats. But from what I understand, Sport Cats are where like 98% of the sound's coming from anyways. And it sounds pretty good. So I'll do a cold start for you. And then, you know, we'll do some revs, whatever. We'll maybe change it into touring mode. You can see what valves open and close, see how it goes. So here we go. And you guys let me know what you think. Okay, fire her up. Actually, that was touring mode. It's blue, right? Yeah. Oh, turn it to the right once. All right, there's sport mode. Ah, that was touring mode. Oh, it's noticeably louder. Give it a couple of cracks. I wish it would have started in track mode, sport mode. Anyways, it's a big difference. Hit it once more. All right, buddy, shut it down. And that is the Sport Cats. I was pretty loud. My right ear is ringing a little bit. All right, well, that's it for now, fellas. So I'll let you see. Anyways, I'm gonna button it up tomorrow, the final touches. But if we pop the trunk. Airbox is back in. And so I'll put the trunk liner in tomorrow and put it all back together. And let's open up the tonneau. So yeah, tomorrow I'll put the heat shield back on and everything like that. But yeah, so that's that. The cats, anyways, they're cats. They're Sport Cats. They're down in there. The other side is over there. I wrapped them a little bit with some heat wrap just to make sure the heat stays down. Just because it's a convertible. If it wasn't a convertible, I wouldn't worry about it. But that's about it, guys. She's back together. It's loud. It's probably twice as loud as what it was before, which is what I was looking for. And but you know, it's still winter here. This thing is still sleeping for the winter. So one of these days, you know, I'll get it out on the street. I'll do another video and do some pulls. But that's that. Sport Cats install are good. And if you want more volume, by far Sport Cats are the best bang for your money. You know, cat back, you know, I am not ruling out doing a cat back. we'll see about that come summertime. But yeah, I'll close her up now. And that's about it. All right, guys. Until the next one, take it easy.